Hey guys, Corey from shootingtime.com here. I'm going to show you a quick little hack on how to make your smartphone's charging cable last a heck of a lot longer. These cables, you buy them and they only last a certain amount of time. That's because the wear and tear, the bending, ends up breaking the wires off of the plug end here. The quality is really not there. So what you want to do is you want to reinforce this so any bending that happens on this end is going to happen in the wire. So that should make it last a heck of a lot longer here. So what I did is I picked up some shrink tube from Ace Hardware. This is 3/8 shrink tube, and it comes in like a 4-inch long piece. So what you want to do is just cut it in half. So now you have two 2-inch pieces. You want to put that over the end, and you want to bring it back a little bit, but still grab the thicker part of the housing here. Right about there is good. You want to take a heat gun and shrink that baby down. It's good for the first one. Simply slide this one over that. Go a little bit further, about there. And shrink this one down. And there it is. Once that cools down, it's going to harden up a little bit. We kept it back a bit so it can still fit into like an outer box case. And that should reinforce it enough to last you quite a while. Hope this tip helps. Take care.